ever wanted, if you've ever wanted to make your PowerPoint presentation stand out, adding animations is one of the easiest ways to grab attention and keep your audience engaged. In this guide, I'll walk you step by step through the process of adding animations in PowerPoint, and by the end, you'll be able to bring your slides to life. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and head to the slide where you want the animation. Click on the object you want to animate. This could be text, an image, a shape, or even a chart. Next, go to the Animations tab at the top of the ribbon. Here you'll see a wide range of animation effects. These are grouped into entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion paths. Simply click on one to apply it, and you'll instantly see a preview on your slide. Once you've chosen an animation, you can customize it. Use the options in the Effect Options dropdown to adjust how it behaves, like whether text appears word by word or an image flies in from the left or right. If you want to add more than one animation to the same object, select the object again and click Add Animation instead of just choosing another one. This ensures you stack multiple effects instead of replacing the first one. To get more control, open the animation pane from the ribbon. This will show you every animation on your slide and the order they'll play. You can reorder them, adjust the timing, and even set them to start automatically or on a mouse click. Finally, preview your animations by hitting the Preview button in the Animations tab. Watch how everything flows together and make small adjustments until it feels smooth and professional. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can transform a plain presentation into something dynamic and engaging. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a try in your next presentation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.